Pork Schnitzel with cheese mash and gravy. You will need pork schnitzel, cheddar mash, carrots and beans, corn cobs and gravy to get this dinner on the table in 20 minutes. First, preheat the oven to 220 degrees, then line a baking tray with baking paper. Pop the pork on the tray. Bake for 16 to 18 minutes until the pork is golden and cooked through. Meanwhile, prepare the cheddar mash. Pull back the plastic to halfway to allow the steam to escape and microwave for 4 minutes on high until hot. Allow to stand for 2 minutes. Then pierce the packaging of the carrots and beans and microwave for 90 seconds or until cooked. Stand for 1 minute. Repeat with the corn, microwaving for 4 minutes. Microwave the gravy for 1 minute on high until hot, then stand for 1 minute. Using a sharp knife, cut each corn cob into smaller pieces. To serve, thickly slice the pork and serve with cheddar mash, carrots and beans and corn. Drizzle with gravy and season with salt and pepper. This fuss-free dinner is ideal for those busy weeknights. It's made with prepped veggies to save you time. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.